This class will teach you how to get your splits fast, no matter of your age and the level of your practice. My name is Paula Rubis, CEO Neosutras, and let's get started. You would need 2 blocks for this practice. Tuck your toes, lift up your knees, and press down to downward facing dog. You don't need perfect downward facing dog. As soon as you have 50% of your weight on your arms and 50 on your legs, and you're just pedaling, you're just feeling the mobility of your hips and the strength of your arms, you're good. So just do it for a few times. Prepare your torso, it's important. And then step your right leg forward. So as you see, I already have blocks prepared because they are creating my support. And what I do, I'm using those blocks to elongate my body and to also compensate my weight, my body weight. Because if I wouldn't have a blocks, I would need to hold myself using my legs muscles. Otherwise, I'm using the blocks to resist, and I can keep that leg absolutely straight. So we're working on opening the whole side of our body, belly, hip flexor, and we're pushing away the floor, keeping the back knee straight. So we're pushing that knee up and back, and you can slightly shift forward and back here. The most important rule is to keep your leg straight. The front leg is 90-degree angle. And just bear with me. Stay here. Keep holding your blocks. And now drop your knee down. If you need, you can place your mat or the pillow under your knee. And here we're going to create a slight resistance with the front leg, pushing up slightly and releasing. Pushing up slightly, engaging and releasing. That little push helps muscle to relax. So we're creating a slight tension and then complete relaxation. Slight tension, complete relaxation. And now we'll ask you to tuck your toes and slide one block under your knee. Make sure it's comfortable, it doesn't hurt. I love to position myself near the wall, so I have a double support. And again, all you need is just to push your knee towards the block and keep stretching and opening up your hip right here. That's what's gonna allow your splits to open up nice and easy. And you're also just creating a slight pulses here. You may feel burning sensations in your right leg. So just pulsing it up, and in one moment just shift back, use the wall, move the block a little closer, and relax this front leg. It must be burning by now. So you just move forward and back, up and down, and relax in the back of your leg. We're gonna do the same thing with the other side. So release the block under your knee. Place it in front. Drop your knee and step back to all fours position. This time, place your left leg in front and extend your right leg back. Please pay attention on the spine. The spine is flat here. The back leg is straight, and then you start swinging down, but keeping the spine straight and the back leg straight. And create those movements. So the mobile stretch, the movement stretch is a crucial element here, because dynamic stretch allows your body to open up way faster, and it mobilizes that mobility. So you're feeling how your muscle is getting longer and how your joints are opening up. So keep moving, do not hold your breath, just keep moving and keep stretching down. If you need a little bit of support, don't forget you have those blocks to push yourself up. Moving on your toes. And slowly release your knee down and tuck your toes. And don't forget, slight pushes up. Believe me or not, this is a crucial component. If you just sink down, you're gonna overwhelm your body. By creating those little repetitions, you are having the time, you're giving the time to for your muscle to relax and engage. It's an activation, so it's strength and flexibility. And then release for a second. Now again, tuck your toes, slide the block under your knee, find a comfortable position, hold the wall, and slide lower. Feels amazing. And slowly, slowly, slowly lower down. Now move the block. We're gonna shift back. So here, flex your foot and lean down. I love to lift and drop my hip to relax the muscles. Beautiful. And then move forward again. Release the block. Put it forward and step back. So we worked very well on the front of our legs. Right now it's time to open up the back of our legs for our splits. We would need to use the blocks here again, and I will ask you to stand a little wider, so we'll be staying in diagonal so you see how I'm squatting. The feet is supposed to be pointing forward, so not open position, but parallel to the shoulders, and of course a little wider than the shoulders. We're gonna squat just like that, and you can hold your blocks as a support. You drop your tailbone as low as you can, and then on the exhale you extend in the back of your legs. Again, if your level is here, that's totally fine. Just make sure the back of the legs is absolutely straight. So I can go a little bit lower. All we need is the activation of the back of the legs. So rotate your seat bones up to the ceiling and exhale down with your torso. And now again, we're gonna bend. This is gonna help you to open up your ankles because these muscles are holding the rest of the leg. So this is very, very important to pay attention and to stretch this part of our legs as well. On the exhale again, extend. And once again, bend. There's a big realignment of the bones happening when you do that. It's really good for you. And just rotate, rotate, and rotate your hips up. And again, bend. And one more time. Lift and hold. So let that opening happen here. Take a deep breath in. Relax your spine. We're gonna stay here a little bit longer so the muscles have time to elongate and stretch. And slowly bend your knees and roll up. Now we're gonna put blocks right in front of us, and we're gonna make a modified mountain pose, one leg in front and another leg right behind. So the same thing, inhale here. On the exhale, bring your torso, your belly button close to your thigh. Do not round your back, keep your back straight. Use your blocks to bring the floor closer to you. And lift up, heel, and drop. Again, as you see, I create dynamic stretch here. Nice, and just hold for a second. Happy glutes in the back, hips rotated up, always. And then switch. The other side. Find that square position of your hips. Inhale. Exhale, bring your chest closer to your knee. And now we're going to start create those shifts. Beautiful. A couple more. And release. And the final hold, drop your chest. It's really meditative, it's really nice. It also calms down your nerve system, makes you feel calm, relaxed, balanced, and release. Beautiful. Drop the blocks, put them away. That is the conclusion of the episode for the splits. You will be able to do your splits absolutely effortlessly because your hip flexors will be open and the back of your legs will be open. So nothing will be staying on your way to create a nice and solid split and leg opening. I hope that it was very helpful. I would love you to subscribe to my channel to receive more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them right below this video. Please like and share it with those people who can benefit from this knowledge. And to check the wellness work that I do, just check the links under this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for investing in yourself. My name is Paula Rubis, CEO of Neosutras, and I will see you in next episode of my wellness content. Stay blessed and healthy. Namaste.